It is 6:14, 37 degrees. It's time for our Get Up, Give Back. Now, we've partnered with Eastern's Automotive Group to highlight people doing great things in our community and give them what they need to keep it going. Now, we met with Jay Harriet. He founded the 25th Project, a nonprofit group dedicated to helping the homeless in our community. I'm here with Jay Harriet of the 25th Project. Now, talk to me about the 25th Project and what you guys do.
So the 25th Project, on the 25th of every month, we go out and help the homeless in our local community.
Now, how did this whole idea start, and especially on the 25th?
So my old boss and mentor said, if you don't have a date on the wall, nothing gets done. And so I said, no, we'll just call this thing the 25th Project, and the 25th of every month we go out and do stuff.
So this is Cookology. This is where it all happens.
This is it. They do recreational cooking classes, and on Thanksgiving this year, people will come to Cookology, and they'll prepare meals for the homeless on Wednesday the 27th, and then we'll take those to the shelters and then serve on the 28th. We'll need more people to volunteer at Burke Community Church in Burke, Virginia, at 8:30 on Thanksgiving morning.
Okay.
And if they have a turkey or a ham or mashed potatoes, bring it to Burke Community Church, and then we'll take it, we'll plate it, and then we'll take the food out to all the local homeless, the shelters, and the tent camps that are all around DC and Northern Virginia.
On behalf of Eastern's Automotive Group, they've empowered us to help out organizations such as yourselves that are doing positive things in the community. So we would like to present you with this $1,000 donation.
Oh, wow.
From
Well,
Eastern's
thank you.
voters.
Oh, my gosh,
now,
thank you.
folks are unable to physically make it out to the church. How can they help out?
They can always donate online to the 25th Project, tax-deductible donation, t25p.org.
All right, what I love about this, they actually work with people who they've serviced in the past that have now gotten on their feet and are no longer homeless. We want to thank Eastern's Automotive Group for partnering with us and sponsoring the segment. In total, we donated $1,000 to the 25th Project. If you want to help the homeless this Thanksgiving, the group needs pre-cooked Thanksgiving fixings and volunteers to help pack meals. If you're interested, head to the Burke Community Church on Thanksgiving morning at 8:30. We'll have more details on our WSA 9 app. And if you know somebody we should help, let me know. I'm at Reese Waters on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, or email rwaters@wsa9.com, and make sure you use the hashtag GetUpDC, and I'll send all that information out on my social media pages as well. It's 6:17. Let's go to Howard for a check of your forecast.